I have the biggest boobs in the world. I have a Victoria's Secret model boobs. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. And I make mostly transgender related content here on my YouTube channel, so if that's something that resonates with you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. So today we're going to talk all about how I manifested my amazing HRT results, obviously, and I'm a big believer in the power of the mind on your body and everything surrounding you. So HRT and gender transitioning is no exception to that. I truly believe that I manifested such a good results only from HRT, head to toe so far, with the power of my mind. Of course that hormones took a big and a huge part of it, but being positive and thinking the right thoughts, I feel like really made my outcome this much better. So I already from the beginning of my medical transition planted those seeds that I'm going to share with you today, that helped me grow into the woman that I am today and to be so satisfied with my HRT results. If it's my body, my face, my everything, I just completely transformed. You can also watch my transition timeline and see all the progress that I made, the huge progress that I made with HRT only. So today we're going to talk about manifestation and the power of the mind on your medical transition. So right from the start of my medical transition, I already started to say these kind of affirmations that really helped me to believe and to embody the woman that I want to become, and that's truly what happened. After a few years, I said it to myself in the mirror, just if something is already existing. I know it sounds a little cuckoo maybe, but really trust me, it worked for me. Let's say that for the first few months I didn't really see any much breast tissue growing, and it was like the thing that I wanted the most from HRT, boobs. Funny enough, today after 6 years of hormones, I think like the most obvious thing that changed about me, except for my face, is my boobs. They really grew so much. People literally don't believe me that it's all from hormones, and I truly believe that it's the power of my mind and my positive thoughts and affirmations that helped me to get to this point naturally. So what I told to myself, even when I was flat-chested, I always said to myself, I have the biggest boobs in the world. I have a Victoria's Secret model boobs. I have big boobs. My boobs is a D cup. My boobs is a C cup. Whatever you want to manifest, you need to tell to yourself as if it's already happened, because the universe really listens and manifests stuff that we believe that already exists. If you go with the power of the universe, you need to understand that you can't just ask for something like, oh, I wish I had that, I wish I had this. You need to truly shift your mind and believe as if it already happened. I literally sat every evening in my mirror, in my vanity, and told to myself, I am the prettiest woman. I am so feminine. I am so passable. My boobs are big. My butt is big. My waist is small. And my hair is long and luscious and beautiful. My skin is flawless. I'm so passable, my voice is feminine, and maybe you don't believe in it, but if you do it every day, every single day, and you just repeat after yourself, I know in the beginning it's hard to believe to yourself, especially if you don't see in the mirror the reflection of what you're saying, but if you just continue, slowly but surely, you will notice with time how you've programmed your mind to believe that this is the reality, and then it actually happens in the physical reality. Oh, and also a very important thing when you're trying to manifest something regarding your transition or anything else is to always say something like it's the positive, like it's already happened, but don't say like the negative thing, because then that's what you're going to attract. Like, let's say you want to manifest long hair, so you'll say I have long hair. You won't say I don't have a short hair, because then you're going to manifest short hair, because the universe does not understand no and yes, it just understand what you're saying. So literally just say I have a long hair. By the way, I learned all of this from YouTube as well about other topics, but I just wanted to take this great method that helped me so much, not only with my transition but with other aspects of my life as well, and to make a video regarding your transition, because I feel like this is so helpful. Manifestation is real, you guys, it's actually real. By the way, I'm so sorry if you can hear some noises, because my neighbors are doing some construction work, so I hope it doesn't affect the sound. But anyways, so if you don't believe me about manifestation, you really should try it for yourself, but not for a week, not for a month. You need to be consistent every day for at least few months. You can see results after a day. It's like planting a seed, the tree will not grow in a week. So it takes time, and you need to water the tree for it to grow. So that's how manifestation works as well. It's something consistent, that it just becomes a part of your daily routine, and that's what makes you to believe in it. And after you actually believe in it, even in your subconscious, then it becomes your physical reality. So really, if you're looking to better and upgrade your HRT results, you need to work with all the available resources that you have, which is also physical and also mental. So the physical, I mean by taking your hormones physically, and the mental is to manifest. Because if, let's say, you take hormones every day, but you really believe that you're ugly and that you're not feminine and not passable, that's just the vibration that you're going to send to the world. No matter how hormones you take physically into your body, if you don't believe that you're feminine, that you're passable, that your body is the same way that you want it to be, it's never going to be. Because I personally don't know someone that is really so beautiful physically and radiates beauty and confidence, and really inside they're very insecure and they're sure that they're the ugliest person in the world, or in the trans community, a trans girl, she's so stunning, but inside she feels she looks like a man with a beard. I personally don't know this, but really, if you want to embody this femininity or masculinity, if you're a trans man and you want to feel at your best point in your transition, and that you really accomplished everything that you could from HRT, you really need to believe in your mind that it's possible. And that's when manifestation comes into the picture. So that's how I manifested, and still am manifesting my HRT results, because I really believe that it's a consistent work. You just need to work on yourself every day and convince yourself that this is your reality. This is my reality. I am feminine. I am so beautiful and so passable. My skin is flawless. My body is perfect. My boobs are perfect. My ass is perfect. My hairline is beautiful. My hair is luscious, long and healthy. You need to believe in this, and then it will actually happen in the physical reality. Trust me, it actually works. From a first source here. So I really waited a very long time to film this and to share my dirty secret on how I really manifested everything that I wanted from hormones and even more. So I'm so grateful to be able to share this with you today. Hopefully it helps even a small group of people who will actually take the step and start to manifest. And then please come back to this video and tell me how's it going, because I'm sure that you're going to be so satisfied. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great week, great evening and great morning. See you next time. Bye!